Hi guys, if you're unable to log into GeForce, maybe you're getting some kind of error message or you're getting a black screen or it's just not logging in general, then keep watching as in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So the first thing we need to do is just head over to your start menu and search for settings. Then click on the settings window. From the left hand side, come over to network and internet. Come over to VPN, and at the top here, this will show our VPN status. So as you can see, I'm currently not connected to a VPN. If you are connected to a VPN, then I'd recommend just going ahead and disabling that from here. And once you've disconnected from your VPN, we're going to close out of this window. And the next thing we're going to do is head back over to the start menu, search for services, and then click on this services window. From here, we're going to scroll down and we're looking for a service called NVIDIA Container. So as you can see, it's this one here, NVIDIA Display Container. Once you've found this, just double click on the service and change this startup type to automatic if it's not already set to this. Click on apply and OK, and then double click on it again and make sure the service status is running. So I'm just going to press start here and once again press OK. Then you can close out of this window and we can check to see if that now fixed the issue. If that's still not working, another thing you can do is head over to an internet browser and you're just going to try logging in to the actual official NVIDIA website. So just come over to this NVIDIA login page here and log in with your account details. And then once you've logged in on your web browser, we're going to head back over to the GeForce application and you should now be able to log in without any issues. Now, once again, if that's still not working, the next thing to do is head over to your start menu, search for settings, and click on the settings window. From the left hand side, come down to apps. Come inside of installed apps, and then from this list of applications, we're just going to find the GeForce application. So you can either just search for it in this box up here. Click on these three horizontal dots and come into uninstall, and then just click uninstall. So we're just going to give that a couple of seconds to uninstall from our PC. And once that's uninstalled, just head over to an internet browser. And we're going to come to the official download GeForce experience page, and then you can re-download it from this link here. And you can just follow the steps on the screen to reinstall this to your PC. Now, if you have tried everything in this video and that still hasn't fixed the login issues, there's one last thing that I'd recommend that would definitely fix this for you, and that's to go ahead and download the new NVIDIA app. Now, this app basically does everything that GeForce does anyway, and it's a much better, unimproved version of the application. So just go ahead and come over to Google and type in NVIDIA app. Come over to this download NVIDIA app at the top here. Click on download beta and then click on the download link here. And you just need to run through the steps on your computer to install this. And like I said, this is a much better unimproved version of the GeForce application. And with this app, you shouldn't experience any problems whatsoever. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.